All right, so we've learned about relations, domain, and range, okay? Now let's look at it in a word problem. I have the following word problem. It says a movie rental store charges $3.95 per movie rental, okay? So what it wants me to do is it wants me to make a table of ordered pairs in which the x-coordinate represents the number of movies rented and the y-coordinate represents the total cost for 1, 2, 3, and 4 movies. So again, my x-coordinate is my domain, my y-coordinate is going to be my range. So the cost is going to be the range, number of movies is going to be my domain. So let's go ahead and fill in the table first with the values that it gave me. So it wants total cost for 1, 2, 3, and 4 movies. So I'm going to put a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4 because that's my domain. All right, that's the number of movies. And then, so I'm going to put number of movies. And then this is going to be my cost. Y is going to be my cost. So for one movie, it's going to cost $3.95. For 2 movies, it's going to cost $7.90. For 3 movies, it's going to cost $11.85. And then for 4 movies, it's going to cost $15.80. Okay. So now that I've completed my table, I'm going to scoot that up so you can see it better. Now that I've completed my table, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and graph it. Okay, before I graph it, I need to label my x-axis and my y-axis. So x-axis, as I said, the domain is going to be the number of movies. So I'm going to write in number of movies. Y is going to be my range, which is going to be the cost. So I'm going to write cost in this one. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and graph it. I'm going to go where x is 1 and y is 395. Now, notice these count by 2s, and so I don't have like a 395, but I do know that 395 is just a little less than 4. So I'm going to put it just below the 4. Okay. I'm going to go to where 2 is 790. Again, I know that 790 is just a little bit less than $8, and I'm going to put it just below the $8 one. Okay. 3 is 1185, which 1185 is just a little less than $12. So I'm going to go ahead and put it again just below the $12. And then 4 is 1580, which is just a little less than $16. So I'm going to put it just below the $16. Okay. Notice if I would connect these dots, unlike the examples in the previous videos on relations, these actually will make a nice linear line, which is a function. Okay. And again, we're going to get into that a little bit later. So good luck.